that.
Yes, I'm here. I'm sorry about that.
Yeah, not a problem, not a problem. So let me just make your computer the presenter. So whatever errors coming up, let's just fix it then and there. Okay.
I actually am not creating the videos myself because I wasn't able to. I can show you them on the video.
Okay. Okay.
So it's not on my computer because I have a Mac. So I wasn't able to. Yeah, it's on another. It's on a
Perfect. So
PC.
what I'll do is I'll make myself the presenter, and I'll give you the exact patient's chart and everything, so that you can use that for the video.
Okay.
Okay. And I'll mention to you in the email as well. So now starting with, I think, the billing, where we are getting a lot of issues, I think. So this will be the user ID, but don't worry, I'll send it in the email as well, Dara. So let's just log in. The user ID would be biller1 and welcome123. Okay. So no issues in navigating the dashboard, right? For
No.
biller, no issues in that. Now patient's chart. Let me pull up a proper patient chart. Now, basically, patient chart, the easy way to find out is from patient records, patient list, and where we have all the information for the patient. As you can see, the list is right here. So any particular patient who has every information, that will be the ideal test patient we can choose. Something like, let's say this one. As you can see, they have all the information filled in. So we won't get any error for them.
Okay.
So let's take this one. Like Mary Ann, this particular patient, let's see. And for billing, if you want the claim form to open up, the next thing we need to do, was this the error you're coming across before? Cannot load chart?
Yeah, that's the error.
Okay, just give me a second.
Okay.
So this error is basically because of something with the browser, but it shouldn't be happening. Let me just see. And same way for the reports, Zara, which ID you used before? 2016 or 1002?
I believe it was 1006. Let me make sure.
Okay.
It was. 1002, and user ID was biller1.
Now, but you can use 2016 directly also.
Okay.
We have now much more information in 2016. So you can use this patient. I will send you this information, not a problem. I'll copy every patient's information and I'll tell you as well.
Mm-hmm.
And every time, okay, whenever you open a chart, it's best you add an encounter.
Mm-hmm.
Because people would be coming back and playing with the previous encounter. So click on add encounter on the right side. So all the information will be new information.
Okay.
So any particular type of visit as well. And then once you save it, it'll actually allow you to put in information. Now, for billing, ICD is must. Okay, any one of the ICD has to be put in, only then the claim form information will show up. And same way the CPT as well. So these two are the only thing we need to put in if we want to show for the billing side.
Okay.
Okay, so let me save the chart. So right from here, you can complete the encounter if you want to open up the claim form. So first we had an encounter, we put in the ICD CPT, then we completed it, and now the claim form will pop up. Before it was grayed out. Now you'll have all the information on the claim form to show.
Okay.
So this is the basic one. And I think you mentioned everything on the script for billing. So billing it's done, and meaningful is also it's pretty good. Now, only thing is the phone board and one more thing, the mobile application is pretty small because we still didn't have much information to show.
Mm-hmm.
So whatever script you send me today, I reviewed it. I think it looks pretty good.
Okay.
Now, only thing is, Dara, why it is getting delayed is basically because when we see the script, it looks a bit different. But when we see the video, it's something different as well.
Mm-hmm.
So that is why we come back to you with corrections, not because that you didn't do a certain thing, but when everybody sees, like I showed to two, three people, like the script is like actually a bit different, and when they see the video, it's like a bit different to them.
Mm-hmm.
So that is why it is actually coming back and forth to you for correction. So I think billing is also pretty good, I think. So we can use 2016 for billing, and report-wise, if you want to show report gallery, okay, now we have actually given access for this ID as well. Because
Okay.
for this reason, I have given access as well. So every report will come on this also. Now, if you want to show something, okay, we have a denied claim tracker, or basically this is the one we actually tell for every physician, which is nothing but, let's say the physician wants to know, okay, how much revenue he has generated over a period of time.
Mm-hmm.
Or let's say he wants to figure out, okay, how much insurance company paid me, or how much the patients paid me so far. If that is so, like what is the percentage of payment I'm getting? Let's say I'm charging the insurance company 100%, how much they're actually charging me, how much they're giving me the money back. So for all these, we have this particular one report, okay, transaction report by claim date. So this will be the ideal one where you can also show, because it's pretty simple. Just the productivity report in the office. How much revenue, how much money for a given date of time we have generated. In detail, it will be there for them. Now, you can mention, as you know, just drag and drop. Now, the drag and drop will only work, as you can see, only when you see there is an up and down arrow.
Mm-hmm.
And same way, not only on the middle section, even you can put it on the columns as well. So if you want to put it, same way. Only if the up and down arrow shows, you can drop it.
Okay.
Now, same way, not only from this, even the grid list as well. Anything you want to pull it in, you can do that. Now, explanation part, as I mentioned, okay, this shows all the insurance company based on the category, whether it is a commercial insurance company or the Medicare or Medicaid. Now, out of which, how much the doctor billed this insurance company for the given period on the top. This is the amount, the billed amount, total. How much the insurance paid so far, which is $0. And how much the patient paid so far for the clinic. Patient payment is only $15. So how much balance the physician yet to collect from the insurance companies is available right here.
Okay.
So it's all pretty simple actually for them to understand like how much revenue they have generated. Now let me just check one more information whether I could pull some value for one, show it to you. Okay, yeah, it's almost the same again.